I think they're still wanting to use the truck treater because it is a tried and proven approach.
It was something that was started years ago.
There's a multitude of things that can halt a process for a truck batch treater to actually get in a remote location.
What we wanted to try to do is to automate this process. Typically you have a big treater truck comes out and treats a well, whether that's once a day, once a week, once a month.
The sheer cost of a treater truck to a chemical company is astronomical.
It requires a lot of phone calls, a lot of pre-planning.
A lot of HSE exposure as well.
It's not the fact that that man doesn't have a job anymore, because these tanks are still going to have to be filled.
The oil field itself is going towards more of a digital age, so if we can help automate this process to benefit the customers as well as the chemical providers, it'd be a new way of doing it.
The Batch Pro controller is an alternative to the treater truck.
Basically eliminate from having to send anybody out. It does it remotely.
Technology we have built into our system allows us to be close to 98% accuracy.
It's not limited to how many times a day, a week, a month.
Remotely on their tablets or cell phones, look up flow rates, check quantities, how much chemical has actually been pumped within a day or a week.
All the data can go back into a customer SCADA system, or they can come back to the TXAM cloud.
Now you're getting everything accurately pumped. And then on the producer, simple. You get your chemical more often for the same price.
You can retrofit any pump that's out there.
It allows you to really just set it up, rig it up to a pump, and leave it.
Set it and forget it.
Everything is done in-house. From the design, the engineering, and the testing is all done in Houston. TXAM employees designing TXAM products.
Because it's taking that third party out.
We have 20 facilities throughout every major play in the U.S.
We stake our name and our reputation on being reliable and being that #1 pump company, not only for the equipment, but for the service.
And we have service techs, delivery drivers, and anything else that that particular guy wants us to carry, we carry it.
It'd be relatively easy for a company to implement a new Batch Pro controller on any existing well, any existing location.
You're talking less than an hour to actually have a system up and running.
Environmentally, TXAM and their solar pumps is as green as it gets, because it reflects heavily on our customers. I can tell you what's important to this company: people.
I'm not just stamping TXAM on it, I'm stamping Jesse Martin.
Putting a reliable product and a product that's going to last, but also a product that you're not going to have problems with.